Are you unknowingly sabotaging the power of the law of attraction in your life? Hidden habits and subtle missteps can often eclipse its potential, leaving us wondering why abundance and fulfillment seem just out of reach. Today we dive into 7 unseen barriers, illuminating how to realign our energies with the universe's infinite offerings. Join us as we unravel the secrets to not just dream about, but actively manifest a life of prosperity and joy. In the dynamic journey of life, one truth stands paramount. The present moment is where the magic happens. Yet so many of us fall prey to the seductive whispers of past regrets and future anxieties, losing sight of the now, the only time that truly exists. I see this often. The law of attraction isn't just about wishing for a future. It's about creating it in the present. Each moment holds a universe of possibilities, a wellspring of potential waiting to be tapped into. But when your mind is tangled in yesterday's mistakes or tomorrow's fears, you miss out on this incredible power. The key is mindfulness, a conscious return to the present. Practice this by engaging fully in your current activity, feeling each sensation and observing your thoughts without judgment. The universe responds to your vibrational energy now, not your plans for tomorrow or your regrets about yesterday. By anchoring yourself in the present, you align with the universe's rhythm, opening up a channel for abundance and fulfillment that was always there, just waiting for you to notice. As we navigate through life's tumultuous challenges, it's common to cling to past traumas and sufferings, often subconsciously. These experiences, as harrowing as they may be, can end up defining us, creating a pain identity. I've seen firsthand how this can act as a formidable barrier to personal evolution and the effective use of the law of attraction. The universe listens to the song of your being, and if that song is one of pain and suffering, it echoes back the same. Acknowledging your past is crucial. It's part of your story, your journey, but it's not the entirety of who you are. You are not just a survivor of your past. You are the creator of your future. To break free from this pain identity, start by recognizing it. Identify the stories you tell yourself and others about your past. Then consciously choose to write a new narrative. Engage in practices like positive affirmations, visualization, and therapy. These steps aren't about forgetting your past, but about empowering yourself to not let it dominate your present and future. Your past may have shaped you, but it doesn't define you. In our quest for mastery of the law of attraction, one of the most insidious obstacles is the habit of blaming others and spinning negative narratives about ourselves. It's a common human tendency to deflect responsibility, to point fingers when things don't go our way. I emphasize this crucial insight. Blame is a powerless stance. When you blame, you give away your power. You make yourself a victim of circumstances, and the universe listens to this language of disempowerment. The key is to shift from blame to ownership, from negative storytelling to proactive thinking. Every challenge, every setback is an opportunity in disguise. It's a chance to grow, to learn, to expand your capabilities. Start reframing your experiences. When faced with a problem, ask yourself, what can I learn from this? How can I grow? This shift in perspective is transformative. It's not just about positive thinking. It's about positive being. You begin to emit a frequency of empowerment, and the law of attraction responds in kind, bringing experiences that resonate with this new empowered self. In the pursuit of success, it's easy to fall into the trap of material attachment. The relentless chase for more money, more possessions, more of everything. I've seen how this path often leads to dissatisfaction and emptiness. The law of attraction isn't about attracting material wealth alone. It's about attracting a life of richness in all its dimensions. The focus should be on experiences, connections, and internal abundance. The true wealth lies not in your bank account, but in the quality of your relationships, the depth of your experiences, and the level of your personal growth. Encourage yourself to find joy in the simple things, in the beauty of nature, the laughter of friends, the quiet moments of introspection. Practice gratitude daily. Make it a habit to count your blessings, not your possessions. The universe doesn't respond to what you want. It responds to who you are. When you shift your focus from material acquisition to personal enrichment, you align with the law of attraction in its purest form, attracting not just wealth, but an abundance of life's true treasures. In our fast-paced world, where achievements and accolades often define success, there's a vital aspect of life that's frequently overlooked: the essence of being. I can't stress enough the importance of nurturing your internal essence and consciousness. This is where your true power lies. When you're preoccupied solely with external achievements, you risk losing connection with our inner depth, the core of our authentic selves. This disconnection can create a significant barrier in harnessing the law of attraction effectively. The universe is not just a reflection of your actions, but also of your inner state. It's essential to take time for self-reflection, meditation, and activities that nourish your soul. Explore practices that bring you closer to your inner self, whether it's through art, nature, spirituality, or mindfulness. By strengthening this inner connection, you're not just achieving more, you're being more. And in this state of heightened being, the law of attraction works in harmony with your deepest essence, bringing forth abundance that resonates with your true self. One of the most profound principles of the law of attraction is the power of selfless giving. I've seen how giving without expectation can open up channels of abundance in ways you've never imagined. However, there's a caveat. When our acts of giving are tinged with hidden desires for reciprocation and recognition, it disrupts the purity of the gesture. The universe senses this dissonance. True giving comes from a place of abundance, not scarcity. It's an expression of your overflowing love and gratitude, not a transaction for personal gain. To practice selfless giving, start small. Offer help without being asked. Give compliments freely. Share your knowledge without expecting anything in return. Observe how this makes you feel. There's a unique joy and fulfillment in genuine giving that can't be matched by any material reward. As you give selflessly, you align yourself with the generous flow of the universe, and the law of attraction reciprocates by bringing abundance into your life in various forms, often ways you least expect. A crucial yet often overlooked component in mastering the law of attraction is the journey of self-discovery. Many people shy away from this profound exploration. Yet it is in understanding and embracing our inner selves that we unlock the door to universal abundance. The law of attraction isn't just about aligning your desires with the universe. It's about aligning your very being. When we avoid self-discovery, we remain on the surface of our potential. Delving deeper into who you are, your passions, your fears, strengths, and vulnerabilities creates a resonant connection with the universe. This journey can be challenging. It requires honesty, courage, and vulnerability. It might mean revisiting past experiences, confronting long-held beliefs, or even changing your path in life. To embark on this journey, start with introspection. Reflect on your life experiences and the lessons they've taught you. Engage in activities that challenge your perceptions, like traveling, learning new skills, or reading broadly. Seek feedback from those you trust and be open to what they see in you that you might not see in yourself. Journaling can be a powerful tool in this journey. It allows you to document your thoughts, emotions, and experiences, providing insights into your inner world. Also, consider practices like meditation or mindfulness, which can help you connect with your deeper self. Self-discovery isn't a destination. It's a continuous process. As you peel back the layers of your being, you'll find a more authentic self emerging. This authenticity is magnetic in the realm of the law of attraction. It strengthens your connection to the universe enabling you to attract not just what you want, but what truly resonates with your deepest self. In embracing self-discovery, you're not just finding yourself, you're opening yourself to the abundance the universe has in store for you. Thank you for being here with me on this journey through these powerful insights. Remember that mastering the law of attraction is about aligning your entire being with the universe's rhythm. Every step you take towards understanding these principles brings you closer to a life of abundance and fulfillment. If you're ready to dive deeper and master the 12 universal laws, don't let this moment pass. Click on this next video now and start transforming your life with the wisdom of the universe. Until next time, beloved.